This is a Christmas gift that I received in 2017 from my friends Shay and Ricky. The Instant Pot. Here's what not to do with your amazing little Instant Pot. Like many of us, we have small kitchen spaces. I have a very small kitchen space, which leaves me doubling my stove as an extra piece of countertop. What happened was, yesterday, I had the pot sitting on my stove as per usual. I went to cook myself a small piece of meat in a separate frying pan. Went about my business until my entire place started filling up with this toxic smoke. I come running out of my bedroom, and there it was. My precious baby was engulfed in toxic smoke and fumes, and it was just horror. It was horror, I tell you. I was at a loss. I didn't know what was happening. There was smoke coming out of the lid. There was smoke coming out from under. It was just a big mess. My heart started racing. I grabbed the pot, and in the meanwhile, I wound up burning my pinky finger really badly.
It's burned! Oh, it's burned!
So this is what happens. Don't forget to turn off your burners. You think you have a burner off, but you don't. And this was sitting directly over a burner, and here's the deal. Here it is. Look at this. Look at it. Oh my God, the horror. If any of you always wondered what the inside of an Instant Pot looks like, it is completely gone, melted out. So although the Instant Pot is relatively a safe device, as you can see, it can quickly become dangerous. It could even burn your house down when handled inappropriately. I said I received a burn, and I did, and it was excruciating pain. But luckily, I had a good old-fashioned Luigi's Italian ice right there on hand to soothe my burn.
Well, Italian ice is sweet, it's fruity tasting, it's cold, it's colder than ice cream, and very refreshing on a hot day.
Unfortunately now, look, now my little bubbled, blistered finger is stained with Luigi's ice, and it looks even worse. People, I'm a hot mess. A hot mess indeed. So everyone, till next time, take care of your kitchens, be careful with your Instant Pot. Loves, hugs, kisses. Bye-bye.